Everyone thinks I have the perfect life. I'm Sophie Benamit, celebrity chef, restaurant owner, and according to the internet, living the dream. But there's one thing I still haven't found. Someone who loves me, not the famous chef. Maybe love is the one recipe I still need to learn.
Hey, I just finished work.
Sophie, please tell me you're not spending another Friday night alone at the restaurant.
I'm busy, you know how it is.
No, you're hiding behind work again. You need to start dating.
Dating? Every man I meet either knows who I am or wants something from me.
Then maybe you need to meet someone who doesn't know Sophie Bennett, the famous chef. And where exactly am I supposed to find him?
Why does that sound dangerous? Hey, what's going on?
Pack a bag. We're going away.
Going where?
To a beautiful little island. No cameras, no reporters, and nobody there knows who you are.
You're serious?
Completely. Maybe you'll finally meet someone.
Okay, I'm in. Wow, what a beautiful island. You were right, I already feel like I can breathe again. And the best part, nobody here knows you're Sophie Bennett, the famous chef. For once, I can just be Sophie. Exactly. Now let's check in and maybe find you a little romance.
For the first time in a long time, nobody was asking me for a photo. Nobody cared what restaurant I owned. Here, I wasn't a famous chef. I was just Sophie. And maybe that was exactly what I needed.
Hi, can I still buy a coffee?
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Thank you. I thought I might be too late.
For coffee, never too late. Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you mind if I sit with you?
Yeah, sure.
I'm Ethan.
Sophie.
So, what brings you to the island?
Just needed a break from work and from people knowing everything about me.
That sounds serious.
Maybe a little.
Well, around here, nobody asks too many questions.
I think I'm gonna like it here. I should probably get back to the hotel.
Already?
Yeah, otherwise Jade will be walking all over the beach looking for me.
Then I better not get you in trouble.
Maybe I'll see you tomorrow.
I hope so.
So, where have you been? I went for a walk on the beach, then stopped for a coffee.
And?
I met someone. His name is Ethan. He owns the little beach cafe.
I knew bringing you to this island was a good idea.
We only talked, but he was really nice.
Only talked? Sophie, that smile says otherwise.
Well, look who it is.
Good morning. And who's this?
This is Charlie. I think he likes you.
I think I like him too.
He seems to like you.
He's very sweet.
Would you mind if I sit with you for a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
So, are you enjoying the island?
More than I expected.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Would you let me take you and your friend out tonight? Maybe dinner somewhere nice?
You want to take both of us out?
I thought your friend might want to make sure I'm not some strange island
Jade would
guy.
definitely like that.
So, is that a yes?
Yes, we'd love to.
Wow. You both look amazing.
Good start. So where are you taking us?
There's a little restaurant on the other side of the island. Best view at night.
I like him already.
Come on, dinner's on me.
Ethan, this place is incredible.
I thought you both might like it.
It's beautiful. Thank you for bringing us.
I'm glad you came.
I think I'm going to enjoy this dinner. Thank you for dinner, Ethan. That restaurant was incredible.
I'm glad you both enjoyed it.
I'm going inside. Good night.
I had a really nice time tonight.
Me too.
Maybe I can see you again tomorrow?
I'd like that.
Morning.
Morning.
Mind if I join you?
Not at all.
I'm starting to think you might be my favorite person on this island.
Careful. You've only known me 2 days. I'm going in the water. Do you want to come with me?
Yeah.
Come on. I wasn't expecting that.
Neither was I. You okay?
There's something I need to tell you. I haven't been completely honest about who I am. I'm Sophie Benefit, the chef. I have restaurants, a television show. People know who I am.
Wait, you're famous?
And I have to go back soon. I can't stay on the island forever.
How soon?
Tomorrow.
I thought coming home would make everything feel normal again, but all I could think about was Ethan, the beach, and how peaceful I felt there. For the first time, I started wondering if this was still the life I wanted. What if I just walked away and went back to the island?
Come in. Ethan?
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I couldn't stop thinking about you either. I know showing up like this is crazy, but when you left the island, everything felt different.
I've been thinking about going back.
Before you make any decisions, Sophie, there's something about my past you should know.
What is it?
Before I moved to the island, I was a chef.
You were a chef?
I had my own restaurant. It became successful very quickly, but I stopped enjoying the life that came with it.
Maybe that's why you understood me so easily. Would you like to come to bed with me?
Yeah, I'd like that.
Come with me. I've been thinking about something.
What is it?
I'm thinking about moving to the island.
Because of me?
Not just because of you. There's something magical about that island. I fell in love with the place, the people, the ocean, the slower life. And yes, falling for you definitely helped.
Hey, Sophie, everything okay?
Yeah, actually, I've made a decision.
That sounds serious.
I'm moving to the island.
You're serious?
Not just for Ethan. I fell in love with the island too. I want a different life.
Island was gonna change you.
I think it already has.
So, did you tell Jade?
I told Jade. Now it's time to tell the world.
You really doing this?
I am. No more television shows, no more running restaurants, no more living for everyone else.
Then I guess we better get ready.
For our new life.
Before we finish tonight, there's something I need to tell all of you. This will be my final show. I've spent years sharing my public life and start a new chapter somewhere very special. Thank you for being part of this journey with me. I'll never forget it. Goodbye, and keep cooking with love.
I came to this island looking for a break from my old life, but I found something I never expected. I found love, peace, and a place that finally felt like home. Sometimes the best chapter of your life begins when you finally have the courage to change the story.